Mess, 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 mess. Look at this. I ain't even got my toe out of this storage closet or nothing. Look at this. Look at this. And look at these things. I've been had them for a long time. And they just broke all up, child. I don't know what I'm going to do to revive them this year, because they worse than what it was. And I got this set up right here. I see a couple of them little red and black bugs and ladybugs, child. I'm gonna sweep that mess up. Anywho, I got my house and my nutcracker, and I got my little I don't know what you call this, cupcake, snowball. I have no idea. Anyways, this is what I stuck in the tree, y'all. That's it. That's all that I did. That's all I did. And let me show y'all. I brought 3 bunches of these from outside. I need to get all my flowers from outside. I need to bring them in. But I'm going to take these stems out because they really do look like they're for the summer. And I'm only putting other ones in because they roses and they match. Because I'm keeping my hot pink. And so I said, let me bring these. It's not that much light over here. And I might not even need 2. I mean 3 or 3. But why not? Like I said, I got about 2 more of these outside. But I ain't gonna worry about it. Do I need that many in there? In that little old vase? Do I need that many in there? Let me see. I don't know. We'll just do it like that for now. Doo-doo. Cute, cute. So, I want to go, I said tomorrow, since I will be out tomorrow, I might make a visit to Hobby Lobby or at home store somewhere. I want to find me some hot pink Christmas bulbs. So I can have some hot pink on the tree. Not necessarily the blue. I don't necessarily have to have the blue on the tree. But I thought about putting blue and hot pink. But I was like, no, because it's going to be mostly pastel. So the hot pink I can do because I do have the hot pink pillow covers going on. And so I was like, that'll be good. That'll be good. So I'm going to just look for that to kind of bring the pop of color in is what I'm going to do. So, yeah. Yep. That'll stay. I'm leaving that over there. So, the only thing I said I might do, and I don't even know if I am, because my music pieces, y'all know they've been on this wall for years. I was thinking about putting like some gingerbread house or something pink, pastel-y on this wall, like some door covers or something like that. I thought about it, but I'm not for sure. I don't know for sure if I'm gonna do it or not. I don't know. I think I'll probably be doing too much. I mean, I won't be wrong for doing it, but it's like I'm gonna have Christmas stuff all over in this area, and I don't know if I want to go through with covering everything up and doing that. I don't want to really do that. I don't want to cover my mirror, cover my decor. I think I might just leave it like it is, but we'll play it by ear. When that time comes. So. All right, y'all. So I just wanted to let y'all know what was going on. And that's it, y'all. Still, look, I got stuff all over here. It's just a mess. It's a mess. But y'all, I'm loving my pixie. I'm loving it. And like I say, this is just a mold. I haven't even combed this out or nothing like that. But, yes, it feels so good. Tomorrow, I'm going to comb through it. And I decide if I'm going to throw some curls in there tomorrow or not. I don't know. It depends on how I'm feeling. But the mold would definitely be combed out before I leave. But it is soft. It's definitely soft. So, but anyways, y'all, I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Look, family, I knew I had this from Five and Below. But I forgot I bought these right here. You remember I got these after Christmas. I got some pink ones and some white ones. I forgot all about these things. So, I'm going to put this here. I'm looking for my twinkle lights. And I ran across this stuff, so I'm going to take this upstairs. It's really a bright red, but you can't really tell. I've been going through stuff, and I came to get my phone to use the flashlight so that I can go under the steps to look for my lights. I got some on this tree right here. They are battery operated on this pink tree. But I got some that you plug up, and I'm looking for those, and I cannot find them. Last year I found them after the fact. Now I do have these lights right here, but I want my twinkles. I do have these, but here's the thing. I got started on the tree. I'm not done. I got partially started on this tree, and I don't want to have to take everything off. I almost did, but I'm not in mind space to be doing all of that. So, but yeah, I see these right here, but I don't want these because I'm not doing those colors this year. I'm looking for my twinkles, and they just all white. And like I say, it's some on here, but they are battery operated. And I would have preferred the ones that plug up. I don't know. We're going to figure this thing out. Alright, I just wanted to share with y'all the little nutcrackers. Alright, call y'all back. Hello YouTube family and friends. Welcome back to my channel. So, in today's clip, as you can see, I have a piece of my tree collar sitting here. And so, in today's video, I will be my first time. Y'all, I shared with y'all I hauled the tutu with y'all that I got from Walmart. And so, the Glamorous Penny Pincher last year, she used a tutu around her tree collar, and she also added more material. I'm now adding more material. Unless I have to, I'll go get another skirt to like add under the bottom. But I don't think I'm gonna need one. I'm just hoping that it'll turn out for me like it did for her. I think I might have saw her with a drill with hers. I'm not gonna do all of that. I'm just gonna take this skirt and I'm gonna cut it. I only got part of the tree collar out here. If I have to, because I'm gonna use my hot glue gun. If I have to use the hot glue gun to add a little bit more to take this tag off. If I have to use the hot glue gun to like glue a piece of it onto the back part of the tree collar, then I'll do that. But right now I'm just gonna cut it, and I'm using some old hair shears, so hopefully it's cutting pretty good. I was gonna say hopefully it will. It really don't matter, but as long as I don't chop and screw it. I think it would have went around. Oh, well, no. It's perfect for this side. But do I want to bring it up? Let me see how high that is. Can you see the bottom? Yeah. So, what I'm going to do, I'm trying to stay off camera. But what I'm going to do is, hope you can see. I'm just going to start from the end and work my way around. I think two of these would have been good, really nice. But for now, I got this one. And hopefully it'll look right under my tree. Hers looked absolutely gorgeous. Now, what I'm hoping also is that this, the glue is coming out kind of slow. I'm trying to get stuffy, y'all. Okay, there we go. So I'm just hoping that when it's time for me to take this off, that I can get it off with no problem whatsoever. I just didn't want to be screwing and all of that. So I just want to put that on. I just want to turn the table instead of trying to turn everything else and falling off. So far, it's looking so good, y'all. Oh, I hope it looks really good under my tree. Y'all see what I keep doing? I keep twisting this table. Actually, the cord keep getting caught on it too. So here it is. It look good. Y'all see? I did the colors because of my rug. And yeah, I think it looks nice. So, all right, y'all. This was a very easy DIY. Just took the skirt, cut it down, you know, at the waistline on down. It didn't matter where on the skirt. I just cut it straight down. And then I just hot glued it to the front part of my collar. So y'all get to see how it looks under my tree when I decorate my tree and do that video, which will be soon. All right, thanks for watching.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. Place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday.